I use the fold function quite often when editing my MIDI clips or even just viewing them. So for example, here I've got this crossover syn bass selected, and in order to find the notes I have to kind of scroll here. But with fold on, only the notes that are actually in the clip are here on my piano roll or visible on the piano roll. So that makes it a lot easier than having to have all these keys here, for example, or all these notes. The new thing in Live 10 is that I can assign this to a keyboard shortcut or to a MIDI assignment. So I'll do that right now. I'll take go into the keyboard assignment mode here and click on the fold button here. Now it's selected, and I'll hit the key F. I think that's not assigned to anything in Live. And here you have it in the browser. I'll get out of the keyboard assignment mode, and now by hitting F, I can fold and unfold. And this is a global function, by the way. So if I go into this vocals slice here, this clip, same thing. I hit my F key and fold it and unfold it. Very convenient.